is the driver's side corner light assembly for 70. So the lens is intact, there's no cracks, especially on the front cone. Comes with this rubber filler. As you can see, the chrome does have some average pitting, which is very common for these. And the side light is also intact, no cracks. Has a scratch right there, but no cracks. And again, it's got some average pitting. It does have a decent shine, even though it does have some pitting, but it is missing some chrome. You've got some chrome peeling. But the bezel itself is intact, no cracks. So you could always have it re-chromed. This rubber filler trim is also in nice condition.